Now, once you created the product on your website, you still are not aware what sort of factors can affect and stop it from getting ranked higher on the Google. So I have created the tool, which is the simple tool yet can be more effective to find out what should be done to your product page and what can help to achieve more search engine optimization to your product page. So let's get started. Myself Hardik Patel from ecomhardy.com. And if you go to my website ecomhardy.com, on the menu itself, you may find the free tools section. Under the free tool in menu, you can select product page SEO analyzer or similar name. It might be possible that I would change the name of this tool, but it would be similar like SEO analyzer or SEO checker or something like that. Simply click onto that and it will open up this tool. You simply go to the website and find out the product which you want to test it. So simply copy the URL and come back and paste the URL including the HTTP and HTTPS. So here is the URL which is including HTTPS, which will make it easier to run this tool and check your website product page for SEO. Once you click on check score, it will give you the results. So it will scan your product page and find out what sort of areas can be improved. So title is this title, including your website name. Description, it is also providing the description. No tags found, which means on your website itself, there is no any visible tags provided or available. Even though if you have added the tags back in end, if it's not visible here on the website, that means it shows no tags found. It is always good to have tags visible directly on the product page and makes your customer more aware and they can click onto that tag and it will open up similar sort of products. So it will make more user-friendly experience for your customers. So once you go back, it will also recommend you few things. So title should be between 50 to 60 characters. So if it's between 50 to 60 characters, you can ignore that. The description is long enough, so I would say I should ignore, because most of the time, if it's above 150 characters, it's good. If it's smaller than 150 characters, it will show up and it will say, make sure it is 150 or more than 150 characters. There are 33 images found, which is good. And there are no keywords meta tags found. So always add the keywords meta tags to your products and also consider adding the keywords for your better SEO. So that's it. It is simple tool, yet it will provide you enough information what you can target first and optimize first for your products. Once you do so, it can help your product page get more SEO optimized. Thanks for watching, guys. It is a free tool, so feel free to check it out. And it is directly available from here. Hope you like this tool. And if you like this tool, please thumbs up to this video. Please subscribe to my channel. And in future, if you like to, you can always subscribe to the newsletter by filling out your information, first name or full name, and email here. So that way, in future, if I launch any further few tools, you will be notified first via email. Comment me in comment box below if you have any questions or suggestions, and I will love to answer your questions as soon as I can. See you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.